Tile trims, like the ones Schluter makes, is a beginner-friendly way to finish off your tile edges. But the thing that makes the difference between a bad DIY job and a professional look is how well the corners of your tile trim turns out. That is where this square comes in. It is made by Quip and it is specifically designed for use with tile trims, and it costs around 40 bucks. Now, that might seem like a lot for what is basically just a piece of plastic, but I actually think that it is pretty reasonable, and here is why. It feels sturdy and robust, and there's no flex in the square whatsoever. And you can definitely tell that Quip hasn't cut any corners in the manufacturing of this product, so you can tell that this square is going to be able to hold up to years of use and abuse. The slots that hold the tile trim are tapered to grab onto the trim to keep it from moving around. The slots are also at the perfect height to keep the trim profiles over the fence of a standard freestanding tile saw. It also has a valley that you can use to cut tile quarter rounds, which is a nice touch. And I appreciate some of the other design features on this square as well, like the large hole at the 90-degree corner that makes it possible to get a really good grip on it while cutting. And here you could also use a bar clamp to tighten it onto the fence for making repetitive cuts. Now, the only negative that I've noticed with this is that the sides are not perfectly square to the bottom. And this could change the angle if you're cutting other tiles on it, like pencil liners. However, Quip probably had to make it this way to make it pop out of its mold. But all in all, this is a straightforward and well-built tool. And here's how to use it. You're going to want to rest the square up against the fence of your tile saw and then insert the tile edge profile, and while holding on to it really tight, you could also use a bar clamp to clamp it to the fence. Otherwise, you'll just have to hold on and push up against and pull up against the fence while you're pushing the table through the blade of your tile saw. And you're best off using a blade designed to cut glass tile. Mine is getting old and has to get changed out soon, but a fresh blade would be able to cut through this edge profile no problem. And then afterwards, you're gonna want to clean off any burrs with a utility knife or some sandpaper. And there you are. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And go to nordicstone.co for more tiling tips and tricks. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.